Alright, we got the SIG P320. We're going to disassemble and reassemble. This is a fairly easy gun to disassemble and reassemble. We've cleared it. No magazine, nothing in the chamber. Alright, we've already got it locked back, and that's where we need it. What we're going to do is this little lever right here. You see this little notch? You see that notch right there? We're going to just pull this lever clockwise. We're going to go this way. And this lever is kind of strong. So we're going to pull it all the way. See, it goes all the way around like that. Then we're going to drop the slide, release it forward, and it's off. Set this to the side because we're going to clean that now. And then how we disassemble this one, we're just going to take the rod and the spring right here. We're going to push forward. We're going to hold the barrel right here so it doesn't go with it. Hold on to it. Kind of a long spring there. Set it to the side. Pull the barrel. If you saw that, you just push forward, up, and out. Grab a hold of it. And that is pulled apart enough to clean it. That's what we're looking for. That's what we want. So it's good. It's ready to go. Now we're going to go clean it. Then we're going to come back. We're going to put it back together, and we're going to reassemble it. Hey, if this video has helped you out any, please go ahead at this point and like and subscribe to our channel. This helps the algorithms, so other people, if they're looking for this particular gun or different gun to disassemble and reassemble for cleaning, it helps them see it on YouTube. So if you would, just do us a favor and go ahead and like and subscribe. If this has helped you out some, we'd really appreciate that because it would help a lot of other people. Thanks. Alright, we're back. We're going to reassemble this. So we're just going to take the barrel, slide it down in the hole right there. We're just going to slide it down and pull it back. Now the spring, the same thing. Make sure that the pin where it inserts this is the rear, this is the front. Now this is kind of a long spring here, so we're going to have to kind of wiggle it, and we're going to go down. Oops. We're going to go way down in that hole right there. So we're going to go start here. We're going to go down in it. Now we're going to have to compress the spring, and like I said, we're going to have to wiggle it a little bit, and it's not the easiest, because it will fight with you. Use your finger up there to kind of catch it so it doesn't wiggle too much. Now once you get it down so far, you can get your thumb kind of on it right there. Now push your barrel, make sure your barrel's back, and then you just kind of slide it on. And we're going to slide it onto the groove right there. This one only has the one notch really, and it does have a little bevel right there, so it helps you slide it in. But it is kind of tough pushing that in, so you're going to have to use all your fingers. Then when you get your thumb there, you're just going to have to seat it. Simply because that spring is so long and flimsy basically. But that's all we have to do to put it back together. As far as the slide is concerned, now putting the slide on, alright, we've got these little, see if I can get it in focus there. Your little notches right here. You got a notch there and a notch there. We're going to line those notches up with these right here. So basically we're going to set the slide down on the frame, line those notches up, see how it went in. We're just going to go back, we're going to rack it, and then we're going to take this lever and push it back. Make sure it's good. Pull forward, so make sure it doesn't come off. And we're good to go. Now this one has to have the magazine in to actually pull the trigger, but all you do is put the magazine in, pull the trigger, it clicks, you're good to go. So that's it for the SIG P320. Thanks for checking out our video. If you're local to the Anderson, South Carolina area, we teach concealed weapons classes on a monthly basis. Check us out at www.defensetraining.org. If you're not local to us, we also make holsters. defensetraining.org/holsters. We make ambidextrous in the waistband holsters at this point. Check us out, and thanks for watching.